But I have the trading view app on my smartphone. I also have it on my MacBook here. I'm going to show you technical analysis. I'll teach you from A to Z how to do your own technical analysis. I'm going to show you candlesticks patterns. You will learn how to interpret and also understand the formation of candlesticks price movement. I'll also teach you support and resistance levels, identify key levels where prices often reverse or stall. I'll also show you indicators, how to use moving averages, RSI, MACD for market analysis. So this part is very important. This is my PDF. I have all the technical analysis here. You can see the chart here. So I'll be giving this PDF to you. So make sure you complete the course. Every step of this course is very important for you to become a profitable trader and also start cashing out every single day from either Bybit, Binance, or any of the crypto exchanges. So I'll be showing you technical analysis just by using calculated indicators, resistance, and price history to determine the direction of each coin. So follow my instructions. It's very important you understand everything I'm going to teach you here. And if you have questions, you can ask below, and also click the link and join the VIP group. It's very important you be part of the VIP group because I share trades every single day. When I do my market analysis, I share my trades with my students. So it's very important you pay and join. For this part of the course, you are going to learn technical analysis. You know, the other part you were able to learn fundamental analysis. So when we say technical analysis, simply say that using price history to determine what is going to happen in the future. So this is a 2-hour time frame of Solana, and each candlestick that you are seeing right now is equivalent to 2 hours. Each candlestick, the blue and red candles. So I'm just going to remove this particular thing here. This is a trade that I'm currently in with my VIP members, so you can also join there. Let me remove this. I'm going to show you how to use the trading view app so that you can do your technical analysis. I'm also going to give you PDF. For the PDF, I'll advise you download it and get a hard copy, color copy of it. Okay, that will really help you. So basically what we want to do is we want to go to a website called CoinMarketCap. I'm sure you already know there. Then you go to the trending section, right? So when you are on the trending section, now we are going to select a pair from this section and use technical analysis. So let's say we are going to trade XRP. Right now I'm currently trading XRP. So when you come to trading view, just click on let's go to the home page of trading view, right? Okay, let me just do it trading view so that I can show you how to start from. Okay, so let's reset. So when you go to a website called trading view, this is what you are going to see, and we are only going to use this particular place, and you can use the free version too. So just click on the product section. When you click on product, click on super chart. So when you click on super chart, now you are going to select the pair that we are going to be trading, right? So we all know that we are going to be selecting XRP from this section. If you are going to trade in a particular day, I'll advise you use the coins that are on the spotlight or are on the trending section. So when we click on XRP here, we can see XRP market capitalization is up almost 2%, and in the past 24 hours the volume traded is 54%. Okay, XRP is nearing 0.7 or so. So you can see everyone is saying XRP is bullish. Everyone is bullish on XRP, which is a good sign for us. You can even see the price is now 6.37. I entered when the price was 6.203. So we can go back to trading view section. After clicking on the super chart, it's very simple for us to get the pair and trade it. So basically what we want to do is we just click on the FTM section at the top left corner. So we are trading futures. So you are supposed to click on crypto here. After clicking on crypto, now you are going to search for the pair and add .p to it. Always add .p so that the exchange will now appear. So if we are going to trade XRP, I'll type in XRP.p. So after typing .p, you could see we have uh, perpetual contracts. The same thing on Bybit. So if you are trading on Bybit or OKX, you select it. If you are trading on BitGet, you select BitGet. So for me, I am trading on Binance for now, so I'll just click on Binance here. So after clicking on Binance, you can see this is the current market condition of XRP. Is nearing almost $1. So we are planning, or we are thinking XRP might hit $1. So this means that each candlestick here is equivalent to what? This in 2 hours. So each candlestick have taken 2 hours to form. So before you use the technical analysis and trade, we first go from the weekly time frame, then we do a top-down analysis. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame of XRP. The highest price was 0.94, almost $1, but there was a time that XRP was $2. So what we can do is we just reset the chart by double clicking. After double clicking, you see a drop down menu. You just click on reset chart. So this is a current weekly time frame of XRP, and you can see a bullish divergence candle forming. So the price might even hit 0.7523 in the next coming weeks. So it's good for you to enter a buy position here. So now we'll go to the daily time frame, because all these candlesticks have taken 1 week to form. All the candlesticks that you are seeing here. So if I click on the time frame section, then I select the daily time frame. This means that these candlesticks have taken 1 day to form. This candlestick have taken 1 day to form. Okay, so we can go again, then we'll click and go for 4-hour time frame. So for me, I take my trades in the higher time frame. That's the 4-hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame, but I use the 1 week and 1 day to do my top-down analysis. So we already know that XRP is now bullish, and we also confirm it by looking at the fundamentals. That's the news. So it's very important you also look at the fundamentals. The other episode I showed you how to do it, right? Very simple and straightforward to do. So now we know the trade is here bullish on XRP. If we want to trade this pair, it's just simple. So follow my instructions here. We have these bars at the left hand side. They all have their use. They are very important. So I'll be showing you my strategy in the next coming episode, but let me just teach you this particular concept. So these are shortcuts that I've added to my trading view to make things very easy. So this one is a long position, this one is a short position, this one is patterns, that's bar patterns. Then we have Fibonacci retracement, the horizontal line. So this particular line that you are seeing, that's the horizontal line. If I want to delete it, I'll just right click on it here, then I'll click on remove. It have been removed. Then we have the text section. So if I want to add text to my trading view, I can just add it. I'll show you how to get all these things. If I want to delete it, I'll just click on delete again. We also have notify, so how to call out if you want to send it to your students also. Then we have this triangular button, the one that we use to draw the support and resistance zone, which is also very important when it comes to analysis. Then we have the trend line. So with the trend line, you can use it to mark out how the price is moving in a certain way. So this is a trend line. This is a trend line that they are always talking about. Then we have horizontal ray. So for the horizontal ray, is used for this important price point. So if I want to use it, I'll just click on it here. This is a very important price point here. This is another very important price point for XRP. Have you seen it? So now we go for a buy position, then we put our stop loss around here. If we were going for a buy position, I can click here to delete it. I can also come here and delete the other one too, just by clicking on the remove section. So if we are going to add these particular things to our trading features dashboard, this is where we are supposed to come to. Then we have the cursors. So you click on this small arrow. You can either click on the star. So if you click on the star, it will be added to the shortcut menu on your trading view. I'll also show you how to change your candlesticks too. blue and white. Okay, for me, I don't like the red and green. We also have the price prediction tools. So that's the one that we are using for the long position and short position. You already know when someone tells you long position, we are buying, and someone tells you short position, we are selling. So when I click on the stars here, you could see I have added, have you seen it's moving and coming back? So we have it here. That's the short position and long position. So right now the market seems bullish. This is just a next resistance zone. So if XRP is able to break through this 0.6376, it will surely get to $1. Okay, if XRP get to $1, I'm going to make about $1,400 from just one trade. That's how trading works. So now the next thing that we also want to do is I want to help you with indicators. Sorry. So with the indicators, you can see at the top left hand side corner again, when you click on the drop down arrow, these are my indicators that I've been using for the Asian session. You know, we have over 4 trading sessions, but we are focusing on only 3. We have the Asian session, that's the China people. Then we also have the London session, that's for United Kingdom. We also have the New York session for United States. Okay, they all have different times of opening, and during their opening time, you could see the market moving in an unconventional way. So I've already logged my Binance account on my trading view, so I always take my trades very easy. Okay, so if you want to add the indicators, just click on the indicator section, then you type in the indicator that you want to add. So if you want to add moving average, just type in moving average. Okay, so this is moving average, so you can now select either exponential moving average or simple moving average. So if I want to select exponential moving average, I'll just click on it this way. So after clicking on it, you can see the moving average is now appearing on my chart. So now that the moving average is appearing on my chart, let me just double click on it. So after double clicking on the moving average, let's right click on the moving average and set it here. Okay, so I'll just right click on it this way. We have something like, okay, so we have input. So let's say you want to do a 50 exponential moving average, you just type in 50. Then you can also do the style. So for the style, you can decide to change the color. So if you want to use yellow color, you want to use green color, you can just use it. So I'll use yellow color. Then we also have visibility. All these things you can edit them by yourself. Then you click on OK. So you can now see that the moving average have changed. So if you want to remove it, just right click, then you click on remove section, then it will be removed. So with the candlesticks, we have 3 types. So you can even use this one, hollow candles, or you can use bar candles. For me, I just use candlesticks. So after using the candlesticks, you make sure you use this particular one. Okay, so as I click on the candlesticks, it's very simple for you to go through this. Now let's say we want to edit the candlesticks to our liking. Everyone and how they prefer their candlesticks look. You to see, I told you guys that when the price is able to break this particular level, it will continue to move up. So this was the next resistance zone. We are just watching a live chart of XRP in a 4-hour time frame. So XRP have broken the resistance zone and it's making its way to the $0.500 mark. So let me delete this particular thing. So what you want to do is, let's say you want to take a trade, right? You go for a long position, then you add it here. This will be your resistance zone. It's very important you always follow instructions. Then you double click. As you double click, you are going to enter your account balance. So if you are having $1,000, you enter $1,000. So for me, I usually use 10% of my account on a margin and I use 2% on a stop loss. So this means that I'll use, if I have $1,000, I'll use $100 for a trade, for the margin of the trade. And if I lose let's say $10 on a trade, I'm going to close it. So now we have our take profit and stop loss. I've already showed you guys those things. So we can click on OK. So let's edit the chart section into our liking. So for us to edit the chart section, what we can do is we just right click on the chart, like right click on it this way, then you go for settings. Okay, so when you go to settings, all these things you can play around with. Okay, so we have the price line. So the price line is the line that we are seeing currently at this particular place. So it shows us how where the price is currently at. So we know XRP to be at 0.6422. Okay, so if we want to see the opening and closing prices, we can click here. So this was the opening price, closing price of XRP in the last 4 days or so. So we have the title. If we went to add XRP at the right hand side, look at it very well. You can see the title have disappeared. Then we also have the XRP and Tether logo. So if I click here, the logo is not there. I always like the logo to be there so that I will confirm. We have the volume traded, so I will remove the volume here. So over the past 24 hours, they have traded over 600 million of XRP. The last day value change. So the last day value change shows how the price have moved. Okay, then you also go to the scales. So the scales are these particular numbers here. You can edit it to your liking, which I don't usually like for you to do. Just leave it on symbol and you have last price. The canvas to solid, no nothing, just leave it at white. Then you have the grid lines, none. Crosshair, you can select the deep black. Text, you can make it 12 black lines, then all this stuff. Just watch the video how I did my settings, then you go and do it. So for the symbols, I have the body to be blue. That's the bearish candle. The body is blue. The borders are black and blue. The borders are black and blue. Just copy my settings here if you want to also have these particular candlesticks on your web, this in your trading view. So I can click on OK, right? So you can see a big retracement after the price have moved up. So XRP price was around 0.4 here, then it just dropped. Remember I told you that everyone is bullish this particular day. So when we go back to coin market cap, you can even see that Bitcoin is currently in a bull run. So we are currently in a bull run. So even if you have $100, you can turn it to $1,000 if you understand leveraging, risk management, and how to earn passive income. So this is how we use TradingView. In the next episode, I'll be showing you another I'll be teaching you another ways to use the trading. So make sure you follow my instructions. You can go over the video again so that you can learn more strategies on how to use TradingView. So for TradingView, it's just a tool for technical analysis, and you can just do it by practicing. That's why I've given you my PDF, right? So take care and see you in the next episode.